Hey, what are you doing?
Just chilling at home. You?
Not much. I was thinking, you know what? You should probably move in for the next month before we go on this trip. Just like get sorted and stuff.
Oh, okay.
Yeah?
Yeah, your parents are on that trip, right?
Yeah. You want to move in and then we can like pack and all that and learn Spanish and stuff?
They all stared at me with such intensity, I thought they must hate me. But now I know they were simply staring at my fear. It's what people know about themselves that makes them afraid.
Dude, we should go to India.
Dude, we leave to South America in 10 days.
Oh, oh yeah. We should probably get ready.
Yeah, that might be a good idea though, for sure.
What?
Es el ando. El endo. Ando yendo.
Yendo.
Sí. Por ejemplo,
How's the packing going?
Doesn't fit. This is gonna be our life for the next like 8 months, dude. Hey Zach, what are you doing?
Just getting scuba certified.
Sometimes I think about myself. I wish I was somewhere else, far from my fear, anxiety, far from my weakness. I could be gone, but I'm just afraid.
We're on the road.
Alright, brother.
How you feeling?
For the trip?
Yeah.
Fuck.
I think I can carry on. You can lie, you can try, but you'd like to leave this feeling. We got to breathe, to dig, to leave the life we are dreaming. It could go wrong, but I'm just an ass.